digital forms of money have progressively pervaded the standard awareness and gotten momentum. Be that as it may, a large number of them neglect to go the distance and will keep on doing as such, gave Axie's mass reception at the point when a progressive resource stepped in. This was conceivable, zeroing in on what the majority try for fun. Let's look at our speedy Axie boundlessness cost expectation before we start the coin's outline. Axie boundlessness value forecast 2023 as per the Axie endlessness cost examination. The base cost of Axie will be around $6.09 in 2023. The greatest value that the Axie can reach is $14.79. Axie limitlessness value forecast 2025 in view of our Axie cost expectation 2025. The cost of the token is anticipated to rise and reach $19.07 toward the finish of 2025. Axie endlessness value forecast 2030 as per our Axie vastness coin cost expectation 2030. The Axie crypto may exchange the scope of $41.34 to $59.51, and the typical cost of Axie may be around $50.43. What is Axie boundlessness? Being established by Sky Mavis on the advantages of the gaming, crypto, and blockchain industry, Axie boundlessness is based on Ethereum organization. There are endless approaches to procuring Axie. Yet being a piece of state-of-the-art innovation, blockchain remunerating players for commitment, is completely unfathomable in the realm of Axie limitlessness. Axie vastness environment is based on the Ethereum blockchain. Axie is a token utilized in a blockchain-based game where clients can gather and fabricate utilizing digital money. Players can acquire the Axie crypto by playing the game, and the tokens can then be exchanged on some crypto trades. Beast Fight NFT games have acquired enormous notoriety around the world. Thus, this might help the general development of the Axie environment in ETH, according to our Ethereum cost forecast. From one viewpoint, the Axie universe represents a gaming and diversion time. On the other, it mirrors a social obligation esteem wherein it sets out business open doors for the general population and fabricates a mood of a solid local area, cutting the guide to a feasible stage. Clients can possess the local Axie endlessness of the Axie commercial center, gather them, and use them across a steadily extending universe of games. Conceptualizing the Axie vastness convention has carried another reality to the spotlight. The benefits of blockchain go past boundaries and the impediments of simply the money area, intended to address different bottlenecks in finance. Axie vastness is set to make lives more enabled and speedy. In an exceptional manner, the Axie limitlessness convention has likewise added to killing the difficulties of blockchain being information openness. They likewise came in bundles, be it excess expenses, speed, or pretend of agents. Axie completely centers around offering clients the advantage of productive information move that would make their gaming and exchanges with a market cap of $807,073,347 and exchanging volume of $31,366,767. Axie boundlessness ongoing cost activity mirrors a good recuperation. The Axie boundlessness cost waits around $6.90, with an unsurpassed high and low of $165.37 and 12 cents. Separately, in the crypto market, Axie boundlessness has an ongoing flowing inventory of 116,939,046 Axie, and the organizers behind Axie vastness are profoundly hopeful that being a pioneer, the mass reception of Axie limitlessness has a ton of vows to view for its fans according to their specialized examination. As per specialized investigation, Axie tokens have been exchanging incredibly negatively. In the wake of stirring things up around town, the token revised hugely and arrived at a solitary digit esteem. Nonetheless, the future cost of Axie endlessness is supposed to recuperate gradually and consistently. Is Axie endlessness still beneficial in 2023? Axie boundlessness universe offers many advantages. Yet the year 2022 was not awesome for the digital currency market. The market was incredibly unstable, and the gamble to rewards proportion was additionally ominous. The year 2023 has been somewhat better for crypto financial backers as the market has been recuperating. Nonetheless, the recuperation of Axie limitlessness was exceptionally present moment, and the costs have again arrived at the lows of 2022. Axie holders might add more tokens to average their property. However, for new financial backers, it is a hazardous opportunity to enter the market. Notwithstanding, since the cost is supposed to rise, merchants who can manage the cost of the great gamble might enter the market and put their cash into these Axie boundlessness shards. All in all, will Axie boundlessness recuperate? How about we figure out in our drawn-out Axie cost expectations? Unpredictability is the greatest casualty of the crypto market. It settles on venture choices and forecasts the most difficult. Notwithstanding, our unprejudiced crypto figure will make the interaction more straightforward for you. Will the Axie boundlessness cost go up? Peruse our Axie boundlessness value forecast to know the eventual fate of the Axe token. As per wallet financial backers Axe cost expectation, it is a terrible long-haul speculation as the cost at the year-end might drop to $2.04, while, as indicated by our Axie vastness estimate, the Axe cost could start an upturn and cross $19.07 toward the finish of 2025, making it a wise venture. As per Gov Capital, Axie vastness has a promising future. It is anticipated that the cost of Axie limitlessness might skyrocket to $101.25, making it a wise speculation by 2027. Simultaneously, the value expectations examination proposes that the cost of Axie vastness might reach $154.47 by 2030. Axie endlessness value forecast 2023. Our Axie vastness crypto cost expectation proposes that the symbolics cost could record a respectable recuperation. Toward the finish of 2023, the Axie boundlessness cost is gauged to have a most extreme worth of $14.79, while the typical cost might be around $10.44. Simultaneously, the base worth might be around $6.09. Axe coin value expectation 2024. According to our Axie endlessness cost expectation, the Axe coin will precede the upturn as long as possible, and its greatest worth might reach $17.31, while the base cost might be $12.02. Simultaneously, the Axe token could have a typical cost of around $14.66. It is normal that the Axe financial backers might procure fair benefits in the year. Axie limitlessness value forecast 2025. Axie boundlessness in the year 2025 may have a typical exchanging cost of $16.16, while the base and most extreme Axie vastness cost may be $13.25 and $19.07 individually. In light of our Axie limitlessness coin cost expectation 2025, Axe value expectation 2026. According to the Axie boundlessness estimate, the Axe coins could arrive at the most extreme worth of $23.44, with a base cost of $16.28. Simultaneously, the typical cost can be around $19.86. In view of our cost expectations, the Axie limitlessness coins cost ascend for the year may be colossal. Axe crypto value forecast 2027. In light of the specialized examination and Axie boundlessness expectation, the digital money might exchange at a typical cost of $25.24. In examination, the base and greatest costs of Axe are expected to be $20.69 and $29.79. Axie limitlessness coin value expectation 2028 as indicated by our Axie endlessness forecast. The greatest worth is expected to be $37.52, while the potential low might be around $26.06. The change is supposed to be moderate, and the typical exchanging cost might be around $31.79 all year long. Axie boundlessness coin expectation 2029. When it is 2029, the